Okay, I'm not really a dentist.
And I'm not really an acupuncturist.
I'm Starr David,
And I'm David Rosen.
and we're brokers that have seen a co-op or two. This ground floor space, it's had a few lives already, and its next one might be the most interesting yet. Right now, it's configured as a dental and acupuncture office, which means you're starting with incredible infrastructure, multiple treatment rooms, and about 1,600 square feet at street level. But here's where it gets fun. With board approval, this could potentially become a residential home, a live-work studio, a creative space, or something entirely new. And if drills and needles aren't your aesthetic, just imagine swapping them for natural light, open living, and your own vision.
Thanks again for checking out 470 West End Avenue 1BC. Once again, I'm David.
And I'm Starr.
And if you'd like to learn more about this incredible opportunity, please call or email.